let's have the new lesson. We are going to study subtraction. Okay. You in the earlier classes, I mean small classes, you have studied subtraction and you know how to subtract. Subtraction means, what is meant by subtraction? It is taking away from many. We are taking a few from many. If there are 10 seeds, we are taking 4 seeds. Then what will be the rest? 6 seeds. 10 minus 4. That is subtraction. Okay. So, in this lesson, you are going to study big numbers. I mean 4-digit numbers. Subtraction of, no. First you are going to study subtraction of 3-digit numbers. Subtraction of 3-digit numbers. Subtraction of 3-digit numbers without regrouping. What is meant by without regrouping? Let us look at an example. Let us look at an example. Okay. 125 minus 114. Whenever you are writing subtraction or addition, you have to write the digits under each place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, like that. Okay. 5 minus 4. What is 5 minus 4? Yes, 1. What is 2 minus 1? 1. And 1 minus 1, of course, 0. Okay. But we will not write 0 at the last of the number. Okay. The back of the number. So we will write only 11 and your answer is 11. This is without regrouping. What do you mean by regrouping? Okay. If it is small number, we could not subtract. If it is smaller than 4, we could not subtract. Then we have to learn from the next one. That we are going to study next. With the regrouping. How to? This is simple for you and you have learned in the smaller classes 2-digit numbers and 3-digit numbers. Okay. So 3-digit numbers addition you have learned like that. 3-digit number subtraction. Now with the regrouping. Subtraction with the regrouping. Look at an example. 455 minus 181. What is that? Okay, look at here. 5 minus 1. That is easy. 5 minus 1 is 4. But what is 5 minus 8? Can you subtract 8 from 5? Can you subtract 8 from 5? No, you could not because 5 is smaller and 8 is bigger. So what will we do? What is the solution for this? Yes, you can take 100 from this. 100 means 10 tens. Okay? So 10 tens and 5 tens. So total 15 tens. So tens place total 15 tens. What is 15 minus 8? 8 minus 8 is 7. We have taken 100 from here, so it will become 3 only. 300 only here. 3 minus 1, 2. So the answer is 300. 274. Next, I'll give one more example for you. 341 minus 341 minus 163. 163. Here ones, tens, hundreds. What is 1 minus 3? Can you subtract 3 from 1? No. Because 1 is smaller. So what will we do? As earlier we have done here also. We will take 1 tens from this. So it will be here only 3 tens. And 1 tens goes 10 ones. 10 ones together make 1 tens. 10 ഒന്നുകൾ ചേർന്നാലാണ് ഒരു 10 ഉണ്ടാവും. So 1 10 and 1 1. So tens and 1. So it is 11. 1 tens and 1 1. So it is 11 ones. Okay, 11 ones. 11 minus 3, 8. Can you subtract 6 from 3? No. So what will we do? You can take 1 from here, 100 from here, and it will become 200, and that 100 will become 10 tens. That means 10 tens and 3 tens. So 13 tens. 13 minus 6, 7, and 2 minus 1. This is the method you are using for subtraction. Like this, you can subtract 4-digit numbers also. Okay, we can go to 4-digit numbers also for some example of 4-digit numbers. Okay, this is regrouping. Okay, got it? 4-digit numbers. I give an example. Okay, without regrouping, you know that is easy. So with regrouping, we are going to study. First, we are going 4,473 minus 2,355. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Should we subtract? We have to subtract first. Which place? Ones. Can we subtract 3? No. 5 from 3. Can we subtract? No. What will we do? We will take 1 from here, 1 tenth. So it is 13 ones. And here only 6 tenths. 13 minus 5. 8. It's an easy way. 13 കിട്ടും. 5 after 5 you will count 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 3 13. So 5 3 8. That method you can use while subtracting. മനസ്സിലായെങ്കിൽ മാത്രം. 6 minus 5 1. 4 minus 3 1. 4 minus 2 2. So the answer is 2,100. Here we regrouped ones and tens. So one more example I give. 2,400. 2,455 minus 1,286. What is 5 minus 6? Is it possible? No. What will we do? We will take 1 tens from here. So it will become 15 tens. 15 minus 6. 15 minus 5 10 അല്ലേ? അപ്പോൾ അതൊന്ന് ഒന്നുകൂടി പോയി എത്രയാണ്? 9. 15 minus 5 is 10, and one more we have to subtract. കാരണം 6 അല്ലേ subtract? 15 minus 6 is 9. What is 4 minus 8? Can you subtract? No. So what will we do? Yes, we will take 100 from here, and it will be 300s only. 100 10 tens I to so total 14 tens. 14 minus 8. You know, 8 plus 2 10. Then 10 plus 4 14. 2 4. Total 6. 14 minus 8 is 6. Then 3 minus 2 1. 2 minus 1. So the answer is 1,169. Here we regrouped as ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. So the last one is ones. 5 minus 8. Can you subtract? No. What will we do? We will take 1 tens. So it will be 15 tens. 15 ones, sorry. 15 ones. 15 minus 8. 15 minus 5, 10. 5 കൂടെ പിന്നെ 3 കൂടി മൈനസ് ചെയ്യണം. അപ്പോൾ 3 മൈനസ് ചെയ്താൽ 3 7. Okay. But here only 1 tens. How can we subtract 1 minus 7? It is not possible. So we are taking 100s from here. 100s goes to 10 tens. 10 tens, 1 tens. 11 tens. 11 minus 7. 7 plus 3, 10. You know. About 4. 3 and 1 and 4. Okay. Here only 2 is here. Don't forget to write this number. 2 minus 4. Is it possible? Is it 2? Answer 2 or no? No. So we will borrow from here. We will take 1,000 from here. Here only 5,000 rest. Remaining 12 minus 4. 8. 5 minus 3. 2. Here we have subtracted or rearranged the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, this is the method. Then what is the next we are going to study properties of subtraction. Properties of subtraction. When you subtract is 0 from a number, what will be the result? Subtraction of 0 means we are not subtracting anything. 3 minus 0, 3 only. 4 minus 0, 4 only. 100 minus 0, 100 only. Like this, any number you are subtracting from a number, you will get the same number. Okay. 9 minus 0, 9. 12 minus 0, 12. 95 minus 0, 95. Okay, it is clear. It is, you have learned this also. Next one, subtracting 1. When you are subtracting a number, 1 from a number, you will get the answer just before the number. Okay, for example, 8 minus 1, 7. 7 is just before 8. This is called the predecessor. Okay, 100 minus 1, 99. 99 is predecessor of 100. 2014 minus 1. Now we are subtracting 1 from 2014. This 2013. Okay. So 8 minus 1, 7. 100 minus 1, 99. 2014 minus 1, 2013. Next one. A number is subtracted from the same number. A number is subtracted from the same number. 0. 22 minus 22. 0. 100 minus 100. 0. Okay. So this is so simple. And there is one more method. What is relation between subtraction and addition? Relation between subtraction and addition. Okay, when you are asked what should be added to 3 to get 5? 3 node, what should be added to get 5? How will you get the answer? 5 minus 3. 5 no? 3 minus 3. Then what is the answer? 2. Like that, I will give one example with the thousands. What should be added to 1325 to get 2797? What will you do? You have to do 2797 minus 1325. Okay, you will get 1472. Okay. So from this we will get one more thing. Okay, if your subtraction is whether it is correct, you have to check. You can use this method. When you add these two numbers, you will get this result. Okay, when you are subtracting one number, you will get a number. Okay, So when you are adding these two numbers, you will get, let us check. 1, 4, 7, 2 minus 1, 3, 2, 5. 1472 plus 1325. 7, 9, 7, 2. This means, what is this means? When you subtract one number from another, you will get a result, and if you are, whether your answer is correct, you have to check. Then you have to add this number and you will get the bigger number. Okay, so that's all for this lesson. And children, hope you understood everything. Okay children, bye.